everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fortune teller. And you can customize it however you want. You can do different colors, different numbers, different fortunes. You can even do something entirely different than fortunes. You could do a quiz, or you could do like a get to know you questions. But yeah, let's get started. All you'll need is paper, scissors, and a pen, and something to color with. We're going to start by folding the corner onto the edge of the paper, just like this. It might take a little bit to line it up right, but eventually it should be straight enough, and it doesn't have to be perfect. You can use your finger to go along the crease to smooth it. Next, we're going to cut along so we have a rectangle. Fold it so the corners meet. Then, just like we did before, rub your finger against the crease. Now you can unfold it. You should have an X shape or a T shape. Then fold in the corners into the middle. Then flip the paper and do the same thing. Fold the paper like a book. Unfold it and do it the other way. Now you can put your fingers in the flaps. You made a fortune teller, but we need to add the fortunes. Flip it to where you put your fingers in, and we'll start by adding the colors. On the first box, I'm using red. Let's see, I'll use yellow. Then I'll use green. And then blue. You can put your fingers in. And you can move your fingers to make it go in different directions. But we need a way to choose the questions. We'll add numbers with our pen. You can really choose any numbers. They can be even or odd. I suggest more odd numbers. So I'm doing 1, but I think I'll also do 2. And 6 and 7. And then I'll do 3 and 4. And then 8 and 11. So this is cool, but we still don't have questions. So we're gonna open up the flaps with the numbers, and we're going to write on them our fortunes. So I'm gonna choose you will win the lottery. For the second one, I'm going to do you will get 100 gifts on your birthday. For the next one, I'll put you will become a famous actor. You will discover an island. You will own 100 puppies. You will get $1 million, and you will get your dream job. And finally, you will get unlimited candy. Now you've finished it, and it looks really cool, and you can use it too. So you can fold it if you need to, put your fingers in it, and yeah, you can use it. Let's see, I'm gonna choose blue, B-L-U-E. 1, 2, 3. And I choose 6. I will own 100 puppies. Obviously this isn't real, but it's still fun. Thank you all for watching. I hope you had a great time making a little fortune teller. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time. Bye!